Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to check Google Forms you filled out and submitted. First, click the Google Apps icon, scroll down and select Google Forms. Here, you'll see a list of forms you've created or interacted with, including ones you filled out. Browse through the list and look for the form you want to review. Double-check the title to make sure it's the right one, especially if you filled out multiple forms on similar topics. Once you open the form, look for the Responses tab at the top. Click it and you'll see a summary of all submissions, depending on the settings chosen by the form creator. You might also be able to view individual responses, including your own. If you don't see your responses, it means the form creator has restricted access. In that case, you'll need to contact the form owner to get a copy of your submission. And that's it. That's how to check Google Forms you filled out and submitted. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.